Email notification requirements and minimum required program examples. Email notification requires a SL2100 InMail email notification license. The SL2100 must be connected to the customer's network with Internet access. The SL2100 should have its own email address. Email notification works for all SL2100 InMails, including built-in InMail and InMail SD cards. The first step in programming email notification is to gather the email account information from the email provider. This information includes the SMTP email account, the server name, the port number, if encryption will be used, if authentication will be used, the username, the password, and an email reply to address that's not the same as the email account address. In this example, we're using a simple Gmail account. The email address in this account is exampleVM@gmail.com. Gmail's SMTP server is smtp.gmail.com. Gmail uses SMTP port number 587. SMTP encryption is set to yes, authentication is yes. The SMTP username happens to be the same as the email address, exampleVM@gmail.com. The password is mygmailpw1234. In this example, the reply to address is admin@exampleco.com. Please note, when using Gmail, Gmail requires that allow less secure apps to be enabled within your Gmail account. This is found in your Gmail account under Sign In and Security. Next, the SL2100 must have its network settings configured. The following required items may either be manually set or obtained by DHCP. Those items are IP address for the SL2100, the subnet mask, default gateway address, and the DNS address. Note, if voice over IP functions are being used or if a voice over IP daughter board is installed, the IP address of the SL2100 will need to be manually set in program 10.12.09. If using the CPU only with no voice over IP functions, the CPU IP address in program 10.12.01 may be used. To manually set the IP address, DHCP client in program 1063 must be disabled first. Next, connect to the SL2100 using PCPro and download the current database. Then, using Easy Edit View, go to Quick Install, CPU Settings, CPU IP Address as shown in the examples below. Note, the IP addresses above are for examples only. Consult your network administrator for those addresses that should be used for your network. Next, go to Quick Install, Voicemail, VM Advanced, VM Email SMTP Setup. This is where you'll input the email account information you gathered in Step 1. Next, enable email notification for each user to be using email notification and input the user's email address for their corresponding mailbox as shown under Quick Install, Voicemail, Voicemail Advanced, Voicemail Basic Setup. Once these changes have been applied and uploaded, click Disconnect to exit programming. Voicemail messages left in mailboxes of users with email notification enabled should now receive emails similar to the ones shown below. For additional information and details regarding the email notification feature, please consult the SL2100 InMail Feature Guide. Thank you.